Your flight simulator represents a significant investment of time and hard-earned cash. Whether you're a home game simmer, a pilot integrating your flight sim into your flight training and proficiency, or a flight school depending on it as a source of income and to train your students. Having functioning and reliable flight simulators is not negotiable. Airlines and military know this. That's why they hire a dedicated team of engineers to keep them up and going. The good news is you don't need a team of engineers to keep your flight sim up and going. This Pilot Savvy Take Tuesday video, uh, along with the free companion document, will walk you through the process of performing a quick daily routine that will alert you of any flight sim issues rather than discover them right before you get ready to fly. My name is Chris. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to get started by opening up our, on this computer I already have it up and booted. So one of the first steps in this checklist is to power up, and you see I'm already powered up. So going to go ahead and open up the favorite, whatever browser you want to use. I'm using Chrome, and then go to pilotsavvy.com. That's the quickest way to get there, but you can go another way. So pilotsavvy.com, and you see down here you can also go to pilotsavvy.com/kb. But let's take this way. And pilotsavvy.com, you're on the site, and then you go to knowledge base, and that takes you to pilotsavvy.com. Now the article we want to get to, there's a link that's going to be in this video. I created the document and I don't yet have the video. I'm creating the video now, and so you go to let's do this. It's a couple ways, but let me show you how quick the search is here. I'm going to go daily, and I like the search here because it instantly took you to the daily inspection, daily flight sim inspection checklist. The daily flight sim inspection checklist is the one that we want, and we got that just by typing in DA. We click on that, and then it takes you to the actual daily flight sim inspection checklist. And you see the overview is the daily inspection, as I explained earlier. It's performed before each flight. Because it's daily, but you don't really have to do it on days that you're not going to fly. So you're not obligated to start up your sim PC and go through all those steps. So the first step in the checklist here is to power on your PC, and which I've done that already, and you make sure all of your displays are up and everything is up, no error messages on boot up. I have a separate video that you may have seen where it talks about troubleshooting the process, and one in particular is on videos, so I won't go into that separately on this video. Next thing is so we've done that part, PC and displays booted up, and peripheral detection, USB hubs and devices. And so for that, it's USBs. Again, I have a USB hub video. So you're going to check if you have USB hubs, you're going to check USB hubs and devices and make sure they're recognized. The yoke, all those recognized. Let's go ahead and start up. It doesn't say here, but I'm going to show you some of the things it's looking for. So I'm going to start explain. Let me move this off on the side, and then I'll bring it back over. Bring it up. Explain. And I have how easy it is to bring it up. So we're going to joysticks. Okay. So on here, where are we? Peripheral Detection, USB hubs, etc. So you're not going to see the hub, but here you can see the yoke, rudder pedals, and throttle. And if you have other things, you want to check those as well. So this is the, let's go to the rudder pedals. So I'm going to press the rudder pedals, left rudder pedal, right rudder pedal, right brake, left brake, and you see that they're registering. And so we don't have to calibrate those. If they was off, we would calibrate them. And you go and you just want to make sure that so you don't want to start a flight and realize you have a problem there. So now let's go to the side stick, the thrustmaster side stick. That's this yoke. So I'm gonna again look on the right now. I have my rudder twist disabled, so that's why that's flickering. This is one of the things you want to check, but I know why that's doing that. And there's a little button here. Watch out, mess up here. Okay, right, left. It's flickering because it's conflicting with the. I have it set to none, but it's still registering. It might be causing some of the intermittent problems I'm having with my rudder. I'll read up on that and I'll follow up with you. But the rudder pedals will work, and so here we're going to just go right stick, left stick, aft, forward, and that's centering like it's supposed to. Everything is centering like it's supposed to. It's got a throttle. I don't use the throttle, and so I'm actually going to more likely replace this with one that does not have a throttle. It has some other useful buttons instead. It's that new one that Honeycomb has. I really like that. Someone else, I wish I remember right off the top of my head so that I can give them their props. I left them a comment there, so I don't know if you can go on my site and see what comments I made. But I left a really good comment because I actually had it happen in my basket, but I'm on a tight budget, so I don't know. I don't just go grab things. I have one here that works perfectly fine, and it's so when you have something that works and you just want you're kind of craving something else. That's how I tell the difference between need and want. I need a joystick. I want the Honeycomb one, and so here we go. Well, we got the Sirius throttle. So we're going to Sirius throttle quadrant. So this is a real sim gear one that I have, and it's been serving me well. I repurposed some of the things. So you see here in the upper right corner, throttle up, throttle down, and it goes through the whole motion. I'm going to go throttle up just to get this out of the way. And then I don't use the mixture control, so mixture 1 on number 2. It works still. I want it to work still, even though I don't use it, because I might repurpose for something else. Like if I fly something with spoilers, I might want to deploy those spoilers or partially. I haven't flown an airplane with spoilers, so I don't know exactly what levers control them, only what I see in Hollywood. Okay, the fuel selector, I repurposed it for right now. It's on norm, and I have it set for emergency. I have this reconfigured for a diamond simulator that I fly, the DA50 that you saw in this video, and then norm. So there we go. So it shows fuel selector set to norm, and emergency. Those are 2 positions, and then this here has an off. I think it has an off also, and then you have your cowl flaps. So the cowl flaps was for something totally different. So here I have it open cowl flaps, and then closed cowl flaps. That's pretty much the exact location that you would have it on the Diamond aircraft. So it was perfect to repurpose this here. I think this was a primer switch or something like that. So I don't need no primer on this, but I did need that. So the throttle itself is a close match to the Sirius. To the Diamond simulator, so I repurposed it. I removed this. I removed the flaps here, and I have my own flap lever. That's another video. I actually went over all my buttons and switches. So I'm going to throttle this and pull this back where it goes. And let's continue to work on look at this checklist here. So it's got USB hub, the hub, and that's any hub. You know, my every hub is different, but it's just a hub where you plug into your computer and plug to expand it. Plug into one hub, preferably a high performance hub, and then you have a hub that can be powered or unpowered. I have two powered hubs, and that gives, especially everything is a lot of USB for peripherals are connected to a flight sim. So some are not ideal for using in a powered one. Like it's not ideal to use rudder pedals, for instance, in a powered hub, but you can do it. It's okay. Um, then we have so peripherals. We covered that. Audio comms audio. I have a separate video on this also, and document. And but I'm going to go ahead and show you here since we're here. So sound. I'm not going to show you how about the sounds in the computer because that is covered in another video. Just do a search on sound and it'll pull up. But this is where you go to manage the sound and X-Plane. But a lot of this is dependent on your configuration on your computer. You know what? Let me go ahead and no, it's not going to let me on this. I have to get out of X-Plane. I'll see how much time we have at the end here. I clicked on the X-Plane folder. In my case here, I have it on root, just from C drive and then X-Plane 12, and everything that's on X-Plane that starts with this folder and it goes in. So the one that I concern myself with is this log. We've covered everything that we need to cover here. And if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave comments. And if you want to subscribe to if you want to be notified of the next video that's coming out, go ahead and subscribe. And thank you for tuning into this channel, Power Savvy channel. Thanks. Bye now.